Hey guys, got a quick video on how to replace the cabin air filter on the 2013 through 2020 Lexus GS350. So you want to come over to your passenger side compartment here, locate your glove box, go ahead and open that up. Inside the glove box, you're going to have this tray that we need to remove. To do that, you're just going to lift up and then you're going to pull to the side. So just lift that up there and then just slide this over towards the driver's side. You can see you got those two tabs there and then also this tab right here. Get that out of the way. And then you got this door here. You got two tabs. You're going to press down as you pull out. Just press down, pull out, and then just kind of lift this up out of the way. That gives us access to our cabin air filter door here. So you're just going to push these in and then pull out. Same with this side. And then this is just going to slide out your whole cabin air filter. So slide that out of there. You can see how dirty this one is. If you got a bunch of leaves and debris in there, you want to take your vacuum up as much as you can. Let's take a look at our new cabin air filter. So I got this one off of Amazon. This is the A Premium cabin air filter. There is the part number right there. Check out my description there. I'll put a link in there for this. This was only about 10 bucks. And here's what the new one looks like. Seems to be really good quality, and it had good reviews on Amazon as well. That's why I went with this one. Looking at the old one here. Now, don't get confused. Not sure if you guys can see that, but there is an arrow here and it says up, but this is just for the housing here. So don't get confused from the arrow that is on the actual cabin air filter, because your airflow is going to go downward. That's why this one is so dirty. The air comes in and then it filters it down to the blower motor. So if we remove this one out of the housing here, you can see that the arrow is pointing downward. So we're going to install the new one the same way. So like I said, don't get confused by the arrow that is on the housing here. So you're just going to lift this out of here, grab your new one. You're going to tuck this in, again, making sure your arrow is pointing down. Get this tucked into the housing here. Just like that, and we are ready to install. So grab your new cabin air filter. You're going to slide this in, again with this arrow pointing up, and then it's just going to click into place. Make sure that's fully seated in there. Grab your cover here. You're going to slide this in from the top, get it in the grooves there, and then snap this one in as well. And then grab your tray. You're going to slide this tab into the side here. And then you're gonna press down on these two tabs right there. Just like that. And that's all there is to it. All right guys, so that's gonna wrap up the video. Again, this was a Lexus GS350. Showed you how to replace the cabin air filter. Super easy to do. Takes you maybe 5 minutes at the most to get it done. And save yourself some money. I've seen where these lube shops and some of these dealerships are charging anywhere between $60 all the way up to $100 to do what I just did in 5 minutes. So save yourself that money. Check out my description there. I'll have a link in there for the cabin air filter. And hopefully this video helps you out. If it does, hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.